Pivot, our viewers have been wondering where we've been at the past year and a half, 2 years. You want to fill them in on that?
Where I'm standing right now, it used to be our house. It's kind of our dream to open a trading post someday. So what we did is we decided to tear the old house down, which was a perfectly good house, but we had a dream of building this trading post. Everybody thought we was crazy. Where are you guys going to stay? Where are you going to live? We roughed it for 2 years in an RV and a camper, sometimes 20 below zero during the winter. But we put our big boy pants on, we got it done. And we plan on building a house that's right up on the hill here. Here in a couple weeks we're gonna start on that now that we got the trading post done. We decided to do it all ourselves. If you want to get something done, you gotta do it yourself. Nobody's gonna do it for you. Make up your mind you're going to do it, figure out a way you're going to do it. We didn't got a lot of money, but we figured out a way we could get it done. We decided to get a sawmill. We went up on the mountain right up here. We cut our own logs. We brought our own logs down. We sawed them. We built them. We made it happen. We made it happen. And you can too. You can make your dreams come true. Let's go down and take a look at the sawmill, and we'll go from there.
Done. When we decided to build the trading post and eventually a house this summer, we decided we was going to do it all ourselves, get all the work done ourselves. We bought the sawmill, the MN Norwood 26. We went to the mountain, cut all the wood ourselves, brought it down, and milled it with this mill here. Let's go up and look at the store and see what we got done. This is our trading post. We built it from the ground up. Wiring, plumbing, roof, walls, floor, everything. We will sell everything. We have native artwork, outdoor goods, paintings, clothes, nice leather jackets. We have more outdoor goods, CDs, old bottles, coins, knives, swords, jewelry galore. We have about everything you could want. If we don't have it, we can get it. Thank you guys for watching all of our videos. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We're going to do more videos of our outdoor stuff, all of our adventures, the gold panning, the rock hounding, the picking, everything we do. We're excited to show you guys more of what we're doing. Thank you.